Tired of cluttered Notion pages? Let's make your workspace sparkle by deleting unnecessary databases. First, you need to locate the database you wish to remove from your Notion workspace. This could be a standalone database on its own page, or one embedded within another page or document. Once you've found it, click on the ellipsis, or the three dots, icon located directly next to the database title. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, find and select the delete option. Be cautious, as this action cannot be undone easily. You'll then see a confirmation pop-up. Notion wants to ensure you're absolutely sure you want to proceed. Read the message carefully, as it will remind you that this action is permanent for that specific database. If you're confident, click the final delete button in the confirmation window. And just like that, your database is gone. Congratulations! You've just decluttered your Notion workspace and made managing your information even easier.